Hi, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to the special event where I'm going to introduce you to a new educator who is joining the Unacademy team to help you prepare for various entrance exams that you're preparing on Unacademy CAT and Unacademy CAT for MBA channels. So, please join me to welcome Ajay sir. And yes, I'm sure you are going to have amazing experience with him learning different subjects. So, yeah, please join me and quickly show us a thumbs up if I am audible. Yes, guys, are we audible? Okay, just a second. Right. Is there any lag, guys? Just show us a thumbs up if everything is audio and video is fine. Hi, Sachin. Hi, Shivani, Tushar. Just a second. Let me just check whether it's working fine or not. Okay. Yes, guys. So please join me to welcome Ajay sir. Hi, Ajay. Welcome to the team Unacademy.
Thank you, Ronak sir.
Right. Ajay, just a moment. There is some issue with the video. Yeah, just a
Right,
second.
no issue.
Yes. Hi. Hi, everyone. So, sorry, there was some technical.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
Uh, have you switched on the mic, Ajay?
Yes. My mic is on. Hello.
Okay. Hi. Yes, guys. So we are back, and I think now it's working fine, right? Everyone. Great. Thanks for joining us. So once again, welcome Ajay to the team. And yes, Ajay, why don't you just introduce yourself because there are few viewers. I know. I mean, they have immediately mentioned that they have seen you on some other channel. So yeah, just tell them about
Yes.
yourself.
Like most of the students already know me, but still, I am Ajay Sareen. So it's been 18 years. I am teaching students for CAT, GMAT, GRE, and various competitive examinations.
Hmm.
And myself, I am like a 100 percentiler in quant and DI section of
Hmm.
CAT, and every time I get 99.9 plus percentile in my subject areas, and most of the time overall score is also above 99.9. Although verbal is not my cup of tea, but still I try my level best to get good scores. So that's all about me,
Yeah.
right? So we'll be
So
helping each and every
thanks
student
Ajay for
at
briefing the
Unacademy.
students about your amazing journey. So Ajay,
Yeah.
can you quickly mention which subjects are you going to teach primarily? Will of course it's obvious you'll be teaching quant and LRDA both, but are you going to focus on any one of the subjects initially, or you're going to start with both?
I'm right now. I have planned my entire month for the
Hmm.
students
Hmm.
because there were a lot of expectations of students from me. So I'm just trying to ensure that I meet them. Hello, Raj. Hello. So I am starting with the algebra and number system on YouTube. So my
Hmm.
sessions will be at 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. on a daily basis. Along with that, I will be delivering special classes as well on DILR. So going to discuss only those caselets right now which appear in CAT exam. So
Hmm.
guys, please keep in mind all the caselets are going to be challenging ones. I'm not saying difficult ones, I'm saying challenging ones. So we'll ensure that we discuss only those type of questions and caselets which at this particular time frame will help you boost your score. So out of my experience of 18 plus years into teaching, I will definitely help each and every student, as most of the students know I do. Right. So we'll take this journey forward.
Right.
Right.
So that will really be helpful to the learners. Definitely, there will be lots of value addition, Ajay, from you. So can you just tell
Yeah.
about your method of teaching? I mean, how do you normally prefer to teach to the students? Any specific thing that you would like to mention?
I always focus on the very basics, and starting from very basics, I always ensure that doubt of each and every student is always answered.
Hmm.
So, as all my students know, that I never move on to next question till the time, even if there is one student who is not able to understand the concept, I
That's
never
great.
move on.
Hmm.
So, being a teacher, it is my responsibility, and that is the only reason I teach, so as to ensure that each and every student at the end of the day is able to learn the objective for which he comes to me.
Hmm.
And I always ensure that student should target 99 plus percentile. As most of the students know, I always say that if I can do it, everyone can. So it's not a rocket science. We just need to understand that I never overteach. I'm not here to tell you how much I know. I am here to tell you guys that how you can clear CAT exam or ZAT or IGFT or SNAP or any other exam. That too very easily. Right. So that is only my pedagogy, keeping in mind that students should excel.
That's great. That's great. So, Ajay, if you can just quickly tell students about the channel on which you will be taking the sessions and what you have already mentioned your timing 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. So, yeah, once again, if you just would like to reiterate the channel name, there are multiple
Yeah,
channels of Unacademy and the slots.
yes, yes. So, yes, Yashashvi, I am the same. So, you all know me, I all know you. So, right, Kavita, right. Right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Right, Satyam, right. Thank you. So, I will take this journey forward on CAT for MBA channel
Hmm.
of Unacademy. So, please keep in mind it is CAT CAT and numeric 4 followed by MBA. So I will be coming live on a daily basis at 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. with, again, as you guys all know, with a lot of content focusing purely right now on CAT. So later on, definitely I will be coming up with more sessions which are specifically focused on respective examinations like
Hmm.
SNAP, IAFT, ZAT, and all. So right now, I am going to ensure that you guys do well in your CAT exam, which is definitely uh, the one you are looking up to.
Hmm.
Yes or just yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now I am here. So as we all know, Unacademy is a much bigger platform, right? Wherein you can say almost entire India is now connected, right? So it's always good to join hands with one of the best, delivery platform, wherein you can benefit more and more students. So that is the only reason, guys. I am here on Unacademy for you guys, always there for you to help you out. You can always reach me on Telegram, on WhatsApp, through emails, through any medium, right? Or just right. Thank you.
Hmm.
हाँ जी रौनक सर. So my classes will be on YT at 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. So रोज time पे पहुंच जाना. As you all know that I start my classes sharp at time. So late मत आना. All right.
Great.
Thank you.
Great. So I'm sure
Yes,
learners
Deepak.
are more
Yes.
and more excited now. Right, because now they
Good evening.
have more and
Good
more
evening,
educators to
Krish.
reach on the Unacademy platform, and yes, educator like you will definitely add more value to the channel and the offerings that we have. So we are also looking forward to have a strong team with your inclusion. And everyone, I request all of you to attend the sessions as mentioned by Ajay sir. his timings. I'm sure all of you have noted on the channel, and keep learning and let's crack it. So thanks for joining us.
Yes.
Thanks Ajay once again and welcome on board. And
Thank you.
let's
Thank you.
make
Thank
sure
you.
that we produce maximum 100% dialers and maximum ion call getters.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Right.
Definitely. Definitely. We will do.
So thanks
Right.
everyone once again and have a great time ahead. Just to quickly tell you, I mean, I'm coming live at 10:30 for a strategy session. So do join me for that and keep learning with us. Bye bye and take care.
Thank you.